We're at the CMS stand, we're finding out about water jet cutting. Well, tell me, Roberto, tell me a bit about this product, please.
Yeah, okay, this is our top-of-the-range water jet machine. It's a 5-axis machine, 2x4 bed, equipped with the dredge, which is a system to automatically remove the abrasive from the tank. You know, with the water jet, you have the issue of what do you do with the abrasive after cutting. It goes into the tank, obviously, and at some point the tank becomes full, so you have to remove it. If you don't have a system like this, you can do it either manually, which may take days, or you can use some products that you can find on the market to be connected to the machine, which take the water and the sand out, make a sorting, and then the water goes back into the tank. Some of them are efficient, some are not, but they are costly to run. The dredge basically is almost zero running cost, so because it's running not all the time at regular intervals, and it's really cheap to run. So it's a very effective and cheap system to remove the abrasive from the tank.
So like a machine tool such as a lathe or a mill, keeping that spindle turning, you're keeping this water jet cutting by constant cleaning in the working envelope.
Yeah, correct. I think that's really something that any user of a water jet should have, because that's really handy.
Okay. And now you said this one, I was thinking 3-axis, but this is a full 5-axis head.
Yes, this is a full 5-axis head, so which can cut up to 60 degrees left and right, with infinite rotation, integrated abrasive supply. So it's our latest, let's say, development of the 5-axis head, which we have had for many years, of course.
So tying in with that 5-axis and the plus or minus 60 degrees, how accurate will this go, and what sort of depth of cut?
Well, the accuracy, we estimate an accuracy which can be down to 0.05 millimeters per meter. Repeatability is 0.025 millimeter. So that's what we can achieve.
And what sort of thickness of material, and what sort of material?
Water jet is suited to cut basically any material, and also any thickness, as long as you can fit it on the table. On this machine, we have a 200 millimeter Z-axis, so you can cut up to 200 millimeter. Of course, how good depends on the material, depends also on the type of pump you're using, depends also on the quality you like, because if you want to go fast, you cannot get a great quality. If you are okay with going slowly, you can get a really nice quality.
Now, actually loading the envelope itself, have you got an automatic system?
No, this is done either manually or with some system which take the metal sheet and you put it on the table. Yeah, there is no automatic loading.
Okay. And just to confirm, the size of the envelope is 2 meters by 4 meters. Is that the largest one you do?
On this particular machine, yeah. Then we have in our product range another machine we can be almost on request, can be 2 meter by 8, 3 meter by 10, as long as you want in theory, yeah.
Okay. Now, I'm just looking at the control panel over your shoulder here. How easy is this to use? Say you've not done it before.
Yeah, no, well, this is the latest version of our control panel. You can do all you need to do on the machine, controlling from there. Now we are also implementing a system so that you have a real-time view of the machine also from a remote location. So you can have basically you can check your machine wherever you are. You can check if there is any problem, any alarm coming up, and you can have a history also of your machine working.
Okay, so joy to any engineer, because he can monitor it over the weekend, for example.
Yeah, absolutely. The machine can run also without an operator, so you can run the machine during the night, during the weekend, because if you cut thick material, steel for example, cutting many pieces, it can take many hours. So you can also run it when you are not there actually.
That's absolutely fantastic, Roberto. Now, one final question. You've got a bold statement about the running of this system. I think it's with the pump itself in terms of efficiency and cost effectiveness. What is that?
Yes, our latest version of Intensifier is this one, which is a servo-electric pump. Is different from, let's say, traditional intensifiers where there is a hydraulic system. In this case, there is no hydraulics, so the efficiency is much higher, okay? And also the maintenance is less because there are many less components compared to a traditional intensifier. So we estimate you may save around 40-50%, both on consumption and also on maintenance. So in the end, it's quite a significant saving.
Absolutely fantastic. So actually keeping the machine running with your dredger, but then getting that efficiency as well. That's a great overview of the CMS machine. Roberto, thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you.